Oh my gosh. About the last few days it's actually been snowing a lot, and as you can see, it looks absolutely gorgeous. It looks amazing, honestly. This is what, like I said a couple months ago, I think during the 12 days of vlogging, I said that I absolutely love winters like these, and winters like these are starting to become a rarity slowly, but you know, it's just, winters like these are just absolutely phenomenal to look at, and also makes for some good photography as well, maybe, and also video. I don't know how to say it, but it's also good for video as well. So I was just picking up the mail. I know there's hair getting in my face, but that's because of the wind. But you know what? Oh well. Looks like this camera's almost down to 3/4 of battery. But you know what? Oh well. Doesn't matter. We're still going. As long as the battery's alive, then that's fine. I'm actually very glad that I have a long-lasting battery now. Nice see Juju. One of our dogs is. My brother just let the dogs out, and now they're looking at me. I have a feeling they're gonna bark here in a second. You know what? Oh well. It is what it is. And basically, I've gotten myself you could say a busy day ahead of me. Yeah, let's put it that way. Oh my gosh, that bottom line got checked up a little bit. Yeah, there it is. There's that 3 wide. There's that 3 wide. 2 rows deep. They're taking it pretty easy up at the front of the field right now, but other than that, I mean, it's not terrible. It's not terrible, it's actually pretty good. Pretty smart.
A few moments later.
Gosh, it is insane. This truck, Ty Majeski, man. This is our first flip of the season. Yeah, I guess he's gonna wait for some assistance to roll the truck over. And the truck has officially been rolled over, so now Ty Majeski can get out. Alright, so here's what happened. Yeah, he got a push, the O2 got a push from Todd Gilliland. That's what sent the O2 around, and the 22 got collected, and that's wild, man. That is wild. Oh, excuse me, jeez. Wow. Look at all those sparks, man. That could have set that truck on fire. Wow. Wow. That hood looks like it's almost gonna break off on the 45, man. That is insane. Green flag back in the air and stage number 2. Yeah, Riley Herbst won stage 1. Now we're gonna see who's gonna win stage 2 here in another 20 laps. Or no, 15 laps. Yeah, that top side has more trucks than the bottom. But at least for right now. Oh, they're 3 wide. Oh my gosh, that top side is getting bottlenecked. Yeah, that bottom line also got bottlenecked. Well, still green because of Cody Robaugh. just keeping it off the racing surface. Yeah, basically those Thor Sport trucks, Ben Finger and Ben Rhodes, are gonna just stay glued together 1-2 and hold off everybody else. At least that's from what I think. Oh gosh, there goes a tire carcass. At least part of one. Oh, look at this, look at this, look at this. Oh my gosh, they're pretty close. Neck, head, not head to neck. Neck and neck. Just a little bit. And yeah, it looks like Grant Enfinger's going to get the Stage 2 win here. Yeah, everybody, yeah. Oh my gosh, yeah. Grant Enfinger wins stage number 2. Oh, that bottom line got stacked up a little bit. They're stacking up in the back. 3 wide, 2 rows deep in the back. In the back that, oh my gosh, they're getting a little antsy. Oh my gosh. They're getting crazy. They are 3 wide. Oh my gosh, that's insane. Oh, they're drifting up. They're trying to side draft. Oh gosh. Just from this shot, it looks like that they're gonna wreck. Oh my, whoa, 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 whoa. They're getting all squirrely back there. Yeah, that second group is coming. They're all lined up and they're on the bottom line and they're coming. Whoa, Raphael Lessard. Get a little squirrely there. Brett Moffitt's up there. Oh, gosh. Whoa, man. Oh, boy. What's going on over here? Whoa! Oh no! There goes the 00! Oh no! Yeah, the truck on fire. Who's that? That's the 02. Oh, he got rear-ended by the 28. Brett Moffitt involved in that one too. Oh no, Tate Fogelman. As if his night didn't get bad enough. Yeah, Angela, she was starting to get a little loose and she came around. Wow. Just Moffitt almost made it through, but had he not gotten hit by Angela Ruck, he would have been okay. Yeah, right there. Krishanek has got a piece of that one. The 30 truck also got a little bit of it too. And then just boom, right there. On fire. Man, they're getting intense here. 23 to go. Oh my gosh. It's getting intense. Whoa, third line being formed up there. Well, yeah. Bye, Grant Enfinger. The Canadians up at the front of the field. Pair of Toyotas. They're getting pretty antsy. Oh boy, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Ben Rhodes, Ben Rhodes. There are less than 20 to go, and they are getting pretty close nose to tail. Oh my. Oh my. Hang on. No, don't do it. Whoa, jeez. There's still double file. And there's still a few more drivers in the back. They're trailing back there just in case something happens. I don't blame them. Whoa, whoa, whoa. They're getting bottlenecked up there. Up on the top side. Whoa, 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 whoa! Freezing in the middle now. That was close. Whoa, my. Well, there goes Friesen. Oh, jeez, look at that, look at that. Whoa, my gosh, they're getting pretty antsy coming out of 4. 9 to go. Ben Rhodes is the leader. I don't know. Todd Gilliland in second. Still battling with Sheldon Creed. Oh gosh, wow, look at that, look at that, look at that. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Here, yeah, Stuart Friesen's back up there. Oh my gosh, they're getting antsy. Oh my gosh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh my. 6 to go. Can they actually make it? Oh, there's not a chance that they're gonna make it back alive. Whoa, my gosh, they're starting to get a little bit backed up on the top side. Whoa! There goes Rafael Lessard. He saved it. He saved it. No caution. 5 to go. Look at that. Look at that. Rafael Lessard off the bumper of Tyler Ankrum. Or he got loose at least, but still, great save. 4 to go. And Stuart Friesen's in the middle. Whoa, Todd Gilliland on the yellow line. He was on the apron. Still 3 wide. Oh my gosh, they're coming to 3 to go, and they're 3 by 3 by 3 from front to back in this lead group. Not even giving an inch. Uh-oh. Whoa, 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 whoa. No, jeez. Whoa, jeez, they're getting pretty close. Whoa, no, there goes Ben Rhodes. Oh, no, that's a big one. That's a big one. Johnny Sauter involved. Sheldon Creed. Tyler Ankrum. Looks like Jesse Little involved. Oh my gosh. Wow. No, I've never. Ben Rhodes involved. Oh, Stuart Friesen. Brandon Finger out front. Todd Gilliland with damage. I think with a little bit of damage on his truck is in second. Oh, that was, oh my gosh. We're going to overtime. All right, here we go.
This is how it started. Ben Rhodes from the bumper of Johnny Sauter, but you don't know. He might have been sideways already. These guys were just so close and pushing.
Yeah.
You're pushing 3-1.
Yeah, Ben Rhodes got a shove from Johnny Sauter that got him out of shape, and
Over and over again. When a car gets to another back bumper.
actually, yeah, he touched him a little bit, but I think he was loose before he touched him. And then Sheldon Creed, wow. My gosh, wow.
You see right before Sauter went into the back of Rhodes, he bobbled. That truck went up the racetrack. I think he was loose, got a little bit out of control.
Oh man, this is gonna be good. This is gonna be a good finish. But my gosh, look at all those trucks. 99, 18, 51, the 16, the 2, the 13, the 52, the 88, the 26, the 56. Gus Steen was involved. Corbin Forrester, did he get through this? Did Corbin Forrester seriously get... What? He must have gotten through that. Oh my gosh, this is... Yeah, that's a lot of damage on that 18 car. And they are green for overtime. Here we go. Oh, Enfinger got a pretty good push. He got a pretty good restart. Oh, Austin Hill. Look at Austin Hill up on top. Oh, they got to get back to the white. Enfinger's out there. Oh, look at this. Oh, look at Ross Chastain. Ross. He's all over the back bumper. Here we go, coming to the white flag. Zane Smith, look at Zane Smith on the outside. Look at that. Wow, look at that. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at this. 1 to go. Oh my gosh, look at this. Enfinger still out front. Whoa, my gosh, Chastain to the wall. Jordan Anderson is in second. Oh my gosh, can Jordan Anderson win? Oh, come on. They're going all over the place. Whoa. Whoa, come on. Oh my gosh, come on. Come on, Jordan! Oh my gosh, here he comes! Oh, we got a little squirrely! Oh no, it's Enfinger at the line! Just barely over Jordan Anderson! Oh my gosh! A truck on fire, who's that? Oh, it's Spencer Boyd. Whoa! 5th place for Natalie Decker. That is impressive. What a race. Oh, that was awesome, Grant. But you still gotta give props though to Jordan Anderson. He almost had it in the bag. But yeah, they were. That still at the end of the day, Grant Enfinger just barely edged him out. Oh, but that was good. That was some good old racing right there. So, as you saw, reactions to the truck race, and my gosh, that was a really good race. So far, that is the best race of Speed Weeks. And I feel bad for Jordan Anderson. I feel like that he should have won that race, but you know what? A 2nd place is still a win for Jordan Anderson. That's his best career finish. For Natalie Decker, she didn't wreck throughout the whole race. That's what people were expecting because, you know, just of how her last season was, just really wasn't all the best. But she finished in the top 5. And by doing so, she had bested Jennifer Jo Cobb's best finish, which was a 7th place finish. She finished 5th in the race, Natalie Decker did. She finished 5th. And she's now the best. Now she's the best finishing female in NASCAR Truck Series history. And that's actually really cool to think about. And that's really cool to know. And you know, it's absolutely amazing that stuff like that this is what NASCAR is all about. This is what NASCAR should be about. It's just underdogs getting a chance at a victory, and also a lot of other history-making things that to happen during a race weekend. What happened tonight was one of those, and I'm actually very happy that this race was a very good one. But yeah, that's about it. I want to thank everybody for watching. If you guys liked the video, go ahead, give it a like. If you have not considered subscribing yet, recommend you do so in order to keep up with some fine content coming out in the near future. And that's about it. Thank you guys a lot for watching. I'll see you guys later.